What if I told you that in 2025, some of the world's most powerful AI tools are completely free and available to anyone right now? The AI revolution isn't just for tech giants or big companies anymore. It's for students, creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone curious enough to try something new. But with so many new tools launching every month, which ones are actually worth your time? Which free AI tools are truly changing the game in 2025? Stick around, because in this video, I'll reveal the top 5 free AI tools you absolutely must try this year and show you how they're transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Let's dive in. To understand how we got here, let's rewind for a moment. Just a few years ago, AI was locked behind paywalls, research labs, and billion-dollar companies. OpenAI's GPT-3 stunned the world in 2020, but it was expensive and limited. Google's BERT, Meta's Llama, and Anthropic's Claude were mostly for insiders. But then, something unexpected happened. The open-source movement exploded. Researchers, indie developers, and even major tech giants started releasing powerful models for free. The race wasn't just about who could build the smartest AI, it was about who could put it in everyone's hands. By late 2024, the lines between premium and free blurred. Open models like Llama 3, Mistral, and Falcon rivaled and sometimes outperformed their commercial counterparts. Meanwhile, new platforms emerged, offering cutting-edge AI tools at zero cost. And in 2025, the dam finally broke. OpenAI, Google, Meta, Anthropic, and Apple are locked in a high-stakes battle, not just for dominance, but for mind share. Each wants their AI to be the default, the tool everyone reaches for. But here's where it gets interesting. The real winners, at least for now, are the users. To outpace each other, these companies are releasing more free tools, open models, and accessible APIs than ever before. In 2025, the average creator, student, or entrepreneur has access to AI power that would have cost millions just a few years ago. But which tools actually matter? Which ones are more than just hype? Let's break it down. First up, Perplexity AI. If you haven't tried Perplexity in 2025, you're missing out on the future of search. Think of it as Google, ChatGPT, and Wikipedia, all rolled into one, but smarter. Perplexity isn't just a chatbot. It's a real-time research assistant powered by the latest open and proprietary models, including GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 4, and its own custom Perplexity LLM stack. In 2025, Perplexity's free tier lets you ask complex questions and get cited, up-to-date answers. You can summarize academic papers, news, and even YouTube videos. You can generate reports, brainstorm ideas, and dig deep into any topic, all with sources you can verify. What changed in 2025? Perplexity's new copilot mode, now free for all users, lets you run multi-step research tasks, compare sources, and even generate custom datasets. It's become the go-to tool for students, journalists, and anyone who needs real answers fast. Perplexity is quietly replacing traditional search engines for millions. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it with context and credibility. As Perplexity continues to integrate with more databases and APIs, expect it to become the backbone of digital research and a serious threat to Google's dominance. Next, let's talk about the unsung hero of the AI revolution, Hugging Face. If you've ever wondered where all these new AI models come from, the answer is often Hugging Face. In 2025, their Transformers library and model hub are the beating heart of open-source AI. This year, Hugging Face launched Spaces 2.0, a free cloud-based playground where anyone can run, remix, and deploy the latest models. Want to try Llama 3, Mistral 8 by 22B, or Google's Gemma? Just click and go. A high school student in Brazil used Hugging Face Spaces to build a real-time translation app for indigenous languages, all for free, using open models and community datasets. Hugging Face is democratizing AI development. You don't need a PhD or a supercomputer, just curiosity and a browser. Some companies worry that open models could be misused, but the open source community argues that transparency and collaboration are the best safeguards. As more governments and companies adopt open models, Hugging Face will remain the launchpad for the next generation of AI breakthroughs. Now, Now, let's step into the world of AI-powered creativity. Runway ML has been a leader in AI video generation since 2023, but in 2025, they've taken things to a new level. Their Gen 3 Alpha model, released in early 2025, lets anyone create stunning, cinematic videos from text prompts for free. Runway's free tier now includes unlimited short video generations up to 10 seconds each, access to Gen 3's advanced motion and style controls, and direct export to social media and editing platforms. Indie filmmakers, educators, and marketers are using Runway to storyboard ideas, create explainer videos, and even produce short films, all without expensive equipment or teams. AI video is no longer just for big studios. Runway is putting Hollywood-level tools in the hands of anyone with a story to tell. Some artists worry about deepfakes and copyright. Runway has responded with new watermarking and content moderation features, aiming to balance creativity with responsibility. As Gen 3 and its successors improve, expect AI video to become a standard part of content creation and a new frontier for digital storytelling. What if your computer could think with you, not just for you? That's the promise of Microsoft Copilot, and in 2025, it's finally free for everyone. After years of integrating AI into Office, Windows, and the web, Microsoft made a bold move in early 2025. Copilot is now built into Windows 12, Edge, and the new Office suite at no extra cost. Copilot's latest update, powered by GPT-4 Turbo and custom Microsoft models, can summarize documents, emails, and web pages. It can generate code, formulas, and presentations. It can automate repetitive tasks across apps and even help with creative writing, brainstorming, and research. A small business owner uses Copilot to automate invoices, draft contracts, and manage social media, saving hours every week. Copilot is quietly becoming the default digital assistant for millions. It's not just about productivity. It's about amplifying human potential. Some worry about privacy and data security. Microsoft has responded with new transparency features and local processing options. As Copilot gets smarter and more integrated, expect it to become as essential as the Start menu and a model for how AI can empower, not replace, human work. Last but not least, let's talk about Poe by Quora. In a world flooded with AI chatbots, Poe stands out for one simple reason. It's the universal remote for AI. Poe's free tier now lets you chat with multiple top models: GPT-4, Claude 4, Gemini, Llama 3, and more, all in one app. You can create and share custom bots for specific tasks and access a growing library of community-made bots for everything from language learning to coding help. A university student uses Poe to compare answers from different models, fact-check sources, and even practice interview questions, all for free. Poe is breaking down the walls between AI ecosystems. You don't have to pick a side. You can use the best of all worlds. Some companies are wary of Poe's model switching, fearing it could expose proprietary features. But users love the flexibility and transparency. As Poe adds more models and features, expect it to become the default AI chat app and a window into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. So, what does all this mean? In 2025, free AI tools aren't just novelties, they're the infrastructure of a new digital society. They're leveling the playing field, giving anyone with an internet connection access to world-class intelligence, creativity, and productivity. The pace of innovation is accelerating. OpenAI's GPT-5, rumored to be in closed beta, is already being tested by select researchers, with hints that a free research tier is coming soon. Apple's on-device AI, built into the new iPhone 17 and MacBook Ultra, promises privacy-first intelligence without the cloud. Anthropic's Claude 4.5, now in open beta, is pushing the boundaries of reasoning and safety. And the best part? The next breakthrough could come from anywhere: a startup, a student, or a community of open-source hackers. Of course, there are risks. Deepfakes, misinformation, and job displacement are real concerns. But the story of 2025 isn't just about technology, it's about how we choose to use it. Let's step back. The top 5 free AI tools of 2025, Perplexity, Hugging Face, Runway, Copilot, and Poe, aren't just apps. gaps. They're signposts on the road to a new era, an era where intelligence is abundant, creativity is amplified, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. But here's the real takeaway. The future of AI isn't being decided in boardrooms or secret labs. It's being shaped by you, the creators, the learners, the dreamers who pick up these tools and build something new. So, what will you do with this power? Will you use perplexity to uncover hidden truths? Remix the world's knowledge on Hugging Face? Tell stories no one's ever seen with Runway? Let Copilot handle the busy work so you can focus on what matters, or explore the frontiers of AI with Poe. Switching between minds at the speed of thought? The choice is yours. The tools are free. The only limit is your imagination. Which free AI tool are you most excited to try in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.